The Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio is no ordinary sedan. Deemed as the fastest 5-seater sedan in the world, and with a record-breaking Nurburgring lap time of 7.32 seconds, the Giulia Quadrifoglio is a car developed with serious intentions of speed. Fitted with a hand-built engine developed by Ferrari, the Giulia is a beautiful and radical-looking car. The trademark Alfa Romeo Scudetto grille, accompanied by the striking boomerang-shaped headlights, gives it a distinct and unique fascia. The lowered ride, large body skirts with those carbon fiber fenders, at the front and rear, give this Italian an excellent street presence, and a commanding stance. Powered by Ferrari handcrafted 2.9-liter turbocharged V6 engine, 505 horsepower, and 443 pound-feet of torque. The power plant is mated to an 8-speed automatic gearbox, and power is sent to the rear wheels only, via a torque vectoring differential. And sprint 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. Top speed, 191 miles per hour. The interior of Giulia Quadrifoglio is a fine blend of carbon fiber, leather, and other high-quality materials. Everything on the inside is functional and gorgeous. Hop onto the driver's seat, and there's an aggressive carbon fiber steering wheel sitting in front of you. The dashboard is simple and laid out properly. You get Alcantara seats at the front and the rear. The front seats can be power adjusted in 14 different ways. The rear seats are comfortable enough.